My name is Sausan Bencher. I'm a journalist and a social entrepreneur trainer, and I came here to Addis Ababa.
I passed by this street, I walked by, I saw lots of fancy shops and restaurants and bars and cafes, which was nice, and I've seen some shops who have beautiful dresses actually, and waiting halls as well.
I'm from Tunisia, northern Africa, up to here like Ethiopia. We have a common grounds and colors and energies and loves and sharing. So this dress is modest and is reflecting that so much we have in common and how much we need to build bridges. Because that's my first time I came here, and I wish more Ethiopians could know about Tunisia and they could see our dresses and they could see how similar it is to their dresses as well, and how much we have in common. And all these bridges will make this continent richer and safer also. One of the first places I've been here was to the Mercato. I've been shopping in the Mercato. I had the chance to see beautiful shops selling souvenirs, handcraft and dresses. I only bought few, and I plan to go back and buy even more traditional souvenir and clothes, and to show it to my friends in Tunisia, and so that they can also get inspired and want to come to Ethiopia and also buy some beautiful dresses that we have in common. And so that part maybe of the experience is trying, seeing, getting inspired, and sharing with the community, growing these African communities of knowledge, wisdom and love and sharing.
And also I appreciate that I find Addis Ababa very green. There are lots of trees, and I can see why you have so much raining season. Monsoon is now. Yeah. Well, I came from Tunisia and it was 40 degrees. It was burning hot, so coming here for me was a fresh air.
That's my first time in Ethiopia, and I'm discovering the country. The biggest resource of Ethiopia is its people. It's Ethiopian people, it's Ethiopian youth, it's Ethiopian creativity, willingness to change and to work hard to fulfill their dreams, and I can feel the dreams and the fire of the people.
For me, it was a good destination, and if people would know that it's so green and the rainy season, I think they would come more also to escape the heat in Europe and in the Middle East.